Hello and welcome to Bistro 61. My name is Professor Nicholas Macris. I'm an associate professor here at Johnson Wales College of Hospitality in the Food and Beverage Department. Bistro 61 is a restaurant entirely managed by the students enrolled in the Food and Beverage program. As restaurants and bars resume operations amid the pandemic, the CDC as well as state and local health agencies have designed guidelines as to how to protect employees and guests from contracting the virus. Some of these general guidelines include hand hygiene or frequent hand washing, glove use, wearing face shields and masks. Here the students at Bistro 61 are going above and beyond these guidelines to ensure the safety of guests, students, and faculty. Some of these measures include signs that promote protective measures have been placed in highly visible areas. Students have established cleaning and disinfecting procedures that comprises of frequently disinfecting commonly touched surfaces. All disinfected surfaces are identified with a specifically designed sticker, letting everyone know that extra care has been taken to ensure a clean and safe environment. Our ventilation systems, both in the kitchen as well as in the dining room, have been upgraded, ensuring a clean airflow throughout the bistro. Shifting floor plans have been designed and implemented by the students to allow for social distancing. All menus and reservations are contactless. Guests use a QR code designed by the students to access the menu, and guests can make reservations through a reservation system specifically designed by the university. Physical guidelines have been placed to promote social distancing among guests as they wait to be seated. A designated production manager for each class has been established. This manager is responsible for taking and logging guest temperatures, symptom screening, and recording tracking information. They also ask guests to use hand sanitizer provided prior to entering the bistro. The students have also developed procedures how to respond to frequently asked questions and concerns from guests regarding COVID precautions and policies. We here at Johnson Wales believe we have surpassed the gold standard developed by the food and beverage industry. All of the guidelines are necessary not only to promote a safe and prudent environment, we use them as an opportunity for our students to chart and develop their learning of management competencies, including dexterity and critical thinking, problem solving, and emergency management, all of which are becoming increasingly required by the food and beverage industry amid these unprecedented times.